welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have some sweet friend mail, and this is from my friend, well, this is from Regina over at Regina Creates 2. This cute little heart on the back of here. Oh, look how pretty this is. It says, "Hey Sharon, hope all is well with you and yours. Wishing you a fabulous and very happy birthday and many, many more to come. Have a good one, sweet friend. Love, your friend Regina, February 2025. Look how pretty this little girl is and this rose sticker. Regina, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that so much for thinking of me. Then this card is from Regina Creates 2. If you do not know Regina, you have to go check out her channel. She's amazing. She's got some great recipes going on over there. She shows some everything. She shows some good hauls, tips and tricks and ideas. She does some journaling. She is an artist. She does a lot of her own drawing. She is just a sweet, sweet person all the way around. Look how beautiful this is. Oh. To my Valentine, forget me not. No other heart can ever be more than mine. Be more true than mine. Though many loving friends. Oh goodness, that's too little. Where's my magnifying glass? Though many loving friends surround thy sunny path, my Valentine. Okay, forget me not. No other heart can ever be more true than mine. Though many loving friends surround thy sunny path, my Valentine. That's so pretty. Happy Valentine's Day, Sharon. Wish you many blessings and much happiness. Love, Regina. Oh, look how pretty. She's got these pretty stickers. And she sent these pretty heart stickers. These flower stickers. I love these type of flower stickers. I love these type of stickers here, because they're great. Like, she just put it on that card in there. And then look at these little pieces of paper. The butterflies. Gorgeous. Look at those. Oh, my mother loves butterflies and hummingbirds. Oh, these are so sweet. Thank you so much, Regina. I really appreciate it. How sweet of you. You got to go check out Regina's channel. I'm sure most of you already have. I will definitely link her in the description. And then I'm going to turn this over because this has our addresses on there. And then this is from Diana Loves Colors. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love this paper. And she's got this butterfly and these little hearts over here. Some pearl gems. This is layered up beautifully. Happy Valentine's Day. XOXO. Diana. Early, I know, but wanted you to have these now, which is not early because I'm always so late. Created by Diana Loves Colors. Oh, you sent me some of that trim. Oh no, look how beautiful. Not oh no, but thank you. But oh, I don't know how much you had of that. Look how gorgeous this trim is. And she's put it on this sample card. This trim is so pretty. I'm trying to get under here so you can see. Diana, thank you. It's kind of like leathery like. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Let's see what she's got in here. It says, "Open me." I love that die. That's fun. I have no fingernails. I haven't done my nails in months, as you guys can all tell. I just haven't had time. Oh, look, she sent a die. Sealed with a kiss. Oh, how cute is that? And it's purple. This is so cute. What's that say? Let me get my magnifying glass back out. Cherry Lynn Designs. I don't know where this is from, but it's made in the USA. I don't know. I haven't seen Diane. I don't think I've seen her show this. I love it. Thank you so much. And then she sent this cute little package here. Let me get this opened. If you do not know Diana, which everybody does, but if you do not, please go over and subscribe to Diana. She will definitely subscribe back to you. And She is so fun. She has some great hauls over there, some great crafting, some great tutorials. She introduces us to lots of different products that she shares on her channel. Here, oh, how cute is this paper? Oh, and shred. Let's see what she's got in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous Valentine card. Oops, I'm dropping all kinds of stuff out of there. Oh, I'm dropping all kinds of stuff here. She's got XOXO, love, 100% love. Oh, look at this bunny chipboard piece. Happy Valentine's Day, Diana. Thank you so much. Diana, you're always so thoughtful. Happy birthday. She remembered my birthday. I didn't really say anything to anybody because it's not that big of a deal, but it is my 50th. It's your birthday. Let's party. Happy birthday, dear friend. I hope it's as special as you are. XOXO Diana, thank you. And she made this. Oh, how cute. The bunny hanging off there. It's your birthday. Let's party. She's got that popped up. Got this popped up. Big wish. Oh, look. S. Thank you for that. That's so cute. Oh, thank you. And then we've got a cupcake, iron-on, rhinestones and stud, faux diamond. I'm not sure what all that means, but oh, that's cute. That'd be fun to iron on something. Oh, she sent some of those little bags. These are so cute. Look at these little Ziploc baggies. Adorable. Thank you for those. I love them. Oh, I was wondering if I was going to get one of these. She made these on her channel. They're so fun and amazing. Look at the layering on here. She shows how she made these little bottle caps. Look at the pretty flower in here. Some tulle, the gold thread. These popsicle sticks, how she used these on these are so fun. I love this die right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Look, you figured that out. I could not figure that die out for nothing. I cannot. So pretty, Diana. I love this. And she's got some of this beaded trim here. My friend Annie. She is Annie. Not Annie Creates. Annie Creates my friend too. Paper Craft with Annie. She's going to be starting her channel. She said she has like a jar, or is that she puts all of her ones in so she can sit and look at them. She loves them so much. And I agree. Ones are so fun. How could you be in a bad mood if you look over and see a jar full of ones? Pretty little pink bag here. What's she got in here? What is this? Oh, look at that. How cute. That's smart. She put that little heart on there. And she's got a cute, whoops, little sequins mix in here. That is so pretty. Did you make that? I bet you did. It's got little teeny tiny hearts in there. Some pearls. Some little diamond gems. Some sprinkles. Love it. No, she sent me some of that gold thread she sent everybody. Oh, I love it. Look how gold that is. I love it. That is great for layering. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh, look. These little shovels. She sent these out to people. I love this ribbon. It's so pretty. Pink with the gold trim. I dig you. That's so fun. Look at these socks. Oh, they're so fuzzy. Oh, these are so cute. I love those. Oh, they are so fuzzy. Love, how funny is that? I dig you. That is too cute. Diana, thank you so much. I love it. Oh, some Spectrum Noir coloring pencils. Featuring twin blendable colors. Oh, these are nice. Oh, thank you so much for those. Those are nice. Oh, wow, Diana, thank you. Then she sent some crystal deco stickers. Look at those pearls. Halfbacks. Huh. Those are nice. Thank you so much. And then here is some cute little bubbles. Heart bubbles. Cute. Oh, look. For your unicorn collection. Oh, these are adorable. Look how cute. Look at that bag. A little bunny. Oh my goodness. Maker's Movement. You Are a Unicorn stamp and die set. Oh, look how nice. That is too cute. Follow your dreams, unicorn. Always be a unicorn. Oh, believing in me. Believe in yourself. This is too cute. And it's got rainbow. How adorable is this? Oh, you can do the clouds, stars. Diana, thank you so much. What a special box. I really appreciate it. Oh, thank you so much. I love everything. I can't wait to play with these colored pencils. Ooh, look how nice. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I love them. Thank you so much. Those are nice. These fuzzy socks, I love them so much. Diana, thank you so much. Everybody make sure you are subscribed to Diana and Regina. You guys are just such special friends. I really appreciate you guys so much. I know I'm not always the best of a friend, but I'll always be there if you ever call on me and need me. All right, make sure you go and check these ladies out. I will have them in the description. They are such terrific friends. They are great supporters. They are just great all around. Thank you all so much for coming to watch this video. I really appreciate you more than you'll ever know. And I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you. Bye.